rewards and to unlock the community page. When you have that community where you can post stuff like images and so if you want to know, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that bell button down there as well. And now let's head into this video, and don't forget to like it, and if you like it so much, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers, so probably this video will help you get your first 1,000 subscribers. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so really, you've got so when you have the community section, probably you'll be weird to hear this. You won't like it, but you have to get 1,000 subscribers, like what I'm aiming for. So, obviously you need to get that much. And if you get 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, you can you have a choice to edit your channel. Well, so then you can, if for example, if you put some sort of streams coming up, for example, a Street Fighter 2 stream, or for example, or a Fortnite stream, or a Minecraft stream, or a YOLOcraft stream, or a Mario Maker 2 live stream. Well, that is entirely, when you get 1,000 subscribers, it is entirely up to you to pin stuff. So, I know it would take probably 560 or 568 days to get 1,000 subscribers. You need to watch how it get 4,000 watch hours that will be coming soon. So please, if you did not watch it, please wait a few days of the first step. This is the second step and of getting 1,000 subscribers. So bye.